It's a truck I've never seen before. This is Babine barge on it. Babine's a lake, I think, way up in BC. It's probably from far away. Got a Vanguard loader on it. It's a nice one, a little bit smaller one. Got the rectangular headlights. Could be an early 80s. I don't know, 83 or 4 or something, but the cab looks old. Jackknife reach. Link belt, stroker back there. It's got an inspection sticker on the window. Let's see if I can see when it was last run. Oh, it's gonna be hard. (2008). That's hard to do. Got a pretty short stick on it, and it's got a pulpwood grapple. It's not a coastal setup. It's for small wood. It's more a grapple you'd see on an American short log truck, one of them bin trucks. They grab stumps and brush, do little haul away jobs with.